Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's Power Bowl recipe, we are making a grilled chicken mint barley Power Bowl. It is delicious, it has chicken in it, it has this delicious barley that we're going to season with mint and some other seasonings. It's so easy to make and perfect for lunch. So if you guys love these Power Bowl recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I did was I took my barley and I just cooked it. So this is what it looks like. I drained it. I just cooked it in regular water because I wanted to season it after. So for seasoning, I've got some mint that I'm gonna add. I chopped it off already. And then I'm gonna add a juice of a very, very big lime. Usually it's not this big, which is why I'm only going to use half of it. There you go. And then this is just regular extra virgin olive oil. Just about a tablespoon. And then salt and pepper to taste. And that is it. Just mix it all up, give it a taste, and that is going to be your barley for this Power Bowl. All right, so my barley is nice and mixed and I've put it to the side. We're gonna work on our dressing. So here I've got some Dijon mustard and some honey mustard. I like kind of the variation of it and it gives it a really good flavor. To that I'm just gonna add some olive oil, and then some lemon juice. This is just regular lemon juice that I just juiced. And then salt and pepper. Give it a good taste. See if you need more acid, if you need more oil, salt, pepper, and that's it. That is going to be your dressing for our Power Bowl. All right, dressing is done. I tasted it for salt and pepper. And that looks good. So now I have the rest of the ingredients that I need to make this Power Bowl. I've chopped up some lettuce, some little small sweet bell peppers, shredded carrots, cucumber, and then this right here is a grilled chicken recipe that I've already shared with you guys. I'll leave the recipe for it in the description box, so if you want to make it like this, you can. Otherwise, any type of chicken will work. Or you can even use vegetarian options like tempeh or tofu. So now I'm just gonna assemble my bowl. So starting off with our beautiful chicken. Perfect. And then our carb of choice, which is gonna be the barley we made. And then it's all just sitting on a bed of lettuce. Beautiful. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some pretty colorful bell peppers, some shredded carrots, and some cucumber. Perfect. All right. And then I just like to take that dressing we made and drizzle it right on top. Just a couple tablespoons, and then you leave it on the side for people to take extra if they want. Beautiful. And that is it. That is your delicious chicken Power Bowl. All right, it's time to try this beautiful bowl. So I'm gonna get a perfect bite of some chicken with that rice, or sorry, the barley. Looks like rice. All right. That barley with the mint and the lime juice is so light and refreshing. I could probably just eat the barley on its own, to be honest. But that chicken, that is such a good chicken recipe that I've already shared And I make it so often because it's so easy to make, but it's delicious. I love these types of bowls to take to lunch just because you don't have to warm it up. You can just put it in a container and then eat it at your desk. So this is an awesome recipe. You guys need to check it out. If you guys love these types of power bowls, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.